Hi, I'm Rob from SkyDemon, and here's another top tip.
In SkyDemon, you can break up a long-planned trip into multiple sectors. To do this, bring up the What's Here menu and choose Routing for an airfield along the route, then choose Land Here. I now have a multi-sector trip, and the pilot log and other functions only refer to the active sector, which I can set by tapping it. But what if I want to view or manage the entire trip as a whole? Under the Route menu, you'll now notice there is a Trip Overview feature. On this screen, you can see the total distance, time and fuel burn for the entire trip, and then each sector listed sequentially, with a mini plog for each one. This screen is a great way to manage the fuel planning for your trip. The Fuel Plan button is how you set the amount of fuel you're going to carry for a sector, and also shows the breakdown of the minimum fuel requirements calculated for that sector. You can see here that SkyDemon is alerting us that we need to add extra fuel at the end of this first sector because we will finish with less than what we've got planned for the second one. However, looking at the requirements for the second one, there's actually no need for us to be carrying all that fuel. Instead, we can use this Use Remaining Fuel button, and SkyDemon will set the planned fuel equal to that which is expected to still be remaining in the tanks from the previous.
For more information, check out our website www.skydemon.aero.